Are you stressed, anxious, sad, depressed, or are you losing your hope? If you are going through any of this emotional roller coaster, then worry not. I will be sharing few activities with you which can immediately fade away all your negative thoughts and emotions. Hello, I am Pallavi and welcome to our channel Life with Tontemon. Children are the most precious and amazing gift of the God. Who doesn't love children? They are pure, innocent, energetic, and without any stress, they enjoy each and every moment of life. Forgiveness is in their nature. Hence, all these features are present within us also. But somehow they are lost somewhere to meet the standards of the world outside. You must be wondering, why am I talking about children? Yes, you guessed it right. Playing with the children is the best activities to refresh your mind and soul. I can understand few people find it difficult to play or spend time with children. But even if you don't play with them, just by watching them playing can make your day. So if you too find it difficult to get us accustomed with children and want me to share tips on how to do friendship with children, then do let me know in the comments below. The second activity, you all are aware of it, and it is music. I don't have to say much on how music can be a source of refreshment into your life. However, we must choose the right kind of music. Now, what is this right kind of music? Let's, for an instance, you are sad, and to get away with the sadness, you are listening to a song which has a melancholy rhythm. I know it is said that when we are sad, we understand the lyrics better. But come on, if we are sad, then it means we have already experienced the lyrics of the song. There is no point in going through the same pain again. We have to forget the bitter experiences and move on with a hope for better tomorrow. Therefore, next time, whenever you are sad, choose music which can lift up your mood and make you hit the dance floor. So, which song grooves you? Do let me know in the comments. You might be wondering, why am I doing this? Yes, you guessed it right. The next activity is yoga. The benefits of yoga are enormous and is also known to everyone. Even I have experienced the benefits of yoga, therefore it almost tops my list. I've been practicing yoga since last year, but I have to admit one thing, that I wasn't consistent with my practice all the days. I could feel the difference immediately whenever I missed it. Therefore, if you practice yoga at least for 30 minutes in the morning every day, then you can feel the difference. It will keep you charged up for the entire day and make you feel positive. But please note that do not perform yoga at home without any professional guidance. The next activity is reading motivational quotations or watching motivational videos, as you are doing it just right now. Once I have read that anger is a punishment which you give it to yourself for someone else's fault. Isn't it a meaningful quotation? Yes. By remembering this quotation each and every time I get angry, I am able to control my anger a lot. Like this, even you can control your anger, which can be ignored, just by remembering this quotation. A simple trick to apply this method is, whenever you read motivational quotations like this, you have to just send a message to your subconscious mind that whenever you will get angry in future on petty issues, you will be remembering these quotations to cool down yourself and see the magic. If it controls your anger, then do let me know in the comment section. I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best. Am I talking to myself? Yes, I am talking to myself. And this is called self talk therapy. The statements could be anything. They may vary from person to person, but it has to be a positive message which is to be sent to your subconscious mind. Through this technique, you can surely start your day with a positive note and keep yourself positive for the entire day. You will get to see many videos on self-talk therapy on YouTube or may visit to any blogs on self-talk therapy. If none of the technique works, then do nothing. Just go to sleep. Yes, sleeping can reduce your stress level too. The benefits of sleep is known to everyone. If you liked at least a bit of my video, then do hit the like button and share it with your friends. For more videos, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you. Bye.